Welcome back to Luxury Vehicles. Today, we're diving into the incredible McLaren P1, a true masterpiece of engineering and performance. The McLaren P1 features a hybrid powertrain that combines a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with a powerful electric motor. This setup produces a staggering 903 horsepower, 727 from the petrol engine and 176 from the electric motor, with 900 Nm, 664 lb-ft, of torque. Power is delivered to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, enabling the P1 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in just 2.8 seconds. Its top speed is electronically limited to 350 km per hour, 217 miles per hour, and it offers a short electric-only range of approximately 6.2 miles, 10 kilometers. Built on a carbon fiber monocoque with a monocage safety cell, the P1 is both incredibly light and extremely strong. It uses an advanced race-active suspension system with adaptive dampers, allowing for unmatched handling on both road and track. The carbon ceramic brakes by Akebano provide exceptional stopping power, and the Pirelli P0 Corsa tires deliver serious grip. Weighing around 1,490 kilograms, 3,285 pounds, the car can generate up to 600 kilograms of downforce at high speeds. Its exterior design is nothing short of futuristic, with carbon fiber body panels, active aerodynamic elements like a dynamic rear wing and front flaps, and a DRS, drag reduction system, for maximum efficiency. The LED lighting and signature dihedral doors enhance its striking presence. Wheels are ultra-lightweight alloys, and buyers had extensive customization options through McLaren Special Operations. Inside, the P1 is purpose-built for performance. It features carbon fiber bucket seats, minimalist design with Alcantara and carbon trim, and a driver-focused digital display that changes with driving mode. While it's a track weapon at heart, it still includes comfort features like air conditioning, a premium audio system, and navigation. Limited to just 375 units globally, each McLaren P1 was hand-built in Woking, England. It stands as one of the most advanced and exclusive hypercars ever made, often spoken of in the same breath as the Porsche 918 Spyder and Ferrari LaFerrari. Subscribe my channel for more content like this.